Hey guys, how are you doing today? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another video for you guys. Today I'm doing a video of how to make very sweet and crunchy mandazis. So if you are interested, please give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for this video. The person who's going to help me do this video is called Beryl, and we did a video together of how to bake cakes, and that video is doing very well. If you haven't watched, please go and search for the video and watch and like and comment and tell me what you think about this. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my video, to my channel, and like this video and give me comment, tell me something about the video. So stay tuned. So guys, this is Beryl, the chef herself. So Beryl, the floor is yours. Please show us something.
Thank you, Linda. Hi, my name is Beryl Audi. I'm a chef, and today I am back with a new video. The last one was about cakes, and it was a nice video, and it is doing well right on YouTube. You can go and check Linda Choka, subscribe, comment, and share. So today we're going to do about crunchy mandazis. Very sweet, very yummy. You will enjoy the process. Welcome. So I'm going to show you my tools for the cake. This is my flour. I use the self-raising one. You don't need to add the baking powder. It's here already. Then I have my Prestige. It's here. Then we are going to do eggs. It's 2 eggs for 1 kg. These are 1 kg, so we do 2 eggs is enough. Then we'll use, I have my sugar right here. Then I have my milk. We'll use milk. I use milk instead of water. Then I'm going to do my flavors. This is tea masala for my flavor. Then I have coconut. Then I also do the desiccated coconut. So you're going to enjoy this mandazi. So as we start, you sieve your flour. Make sure you always sieve your flour. It is important for aeration and also to remove the dirt particles on the flour. So this is it. We are sieving. Do the whole packet. It's 1 kg. I'll give you the measurements as you continue with the video. So we're done with sieving the flour. The next step, we're going to use sugar. We're going to put sugar. So for a 1 kg flour, you'll do 6 tablespoons of sugar. 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you can do a pinch of salt for tasty, to make it tasty. Then we'll add all the dry ingredients together. So we have sugar, a little salt. So I'm going to use tea masala. This is my flavor for today. Some people use cinnamon, some people use cardamoms. You can even do lemons if you have. So that is my... So I'm going to use the coconut. It is grated coconut, desiccated. Put it kidogo. Then you mix your dry ingredients together. So you do the mixing, mix. After mixing, you will add eggs. This is 1 kg, so I'm doing 2 eggs. If it were 2 kgs, I would have used 4 eggs. So you mix again before you add your prestige or your butter or your oil. So make sure you mix it well. So after the eggs, we do butter, prestige. So this is 3 tablespoons of prestige. We do 3. So we're not going to use oil because we're already using prestige or butter. So no more oil. So we mix again. I will show you the end result after mixing before we add our milk. This is our mixture. After mixing your butter, sugar, eggs, this is how it looks like. It's crunchy, as you can see. You see the difference? It's crunchy compared to the way it was before. So this is how it should be before you add your milk. So before we add our milk, I'm going to put my flavor, which is coconut. Just 1 drop is enough. Don't exaggerate. 1 is just enough. And then we do our milk. So I will add milk bit by bit. As I continue mixing. Trust me, you're going to love the outcome. Very yummy. Very sweet.
I wish you were here to taste, but I'll test for you guys.
It is very sweet, by the way. Linda, but you tested the ones I cooked before.
Yeah.
And it was very okay.
Yeah, that's the more reason I suggested for us to do this video.
And then there's somebody who requested for the video too.
Yeah, by the way.
So that's how we're doing this.
So all your requests, please forward them, comment down below. Anything. She's a full chef. Like kuna chenye hujui kupika ama kubake. So please, anything you need maybe to know how to make, please suggest down below on the comment section so that we can do it for you.
Yeah.
That's why we're here.
We are doing well. We are doing well actually. This is our final product. This is our final dough. This is how it should be. It is very soft. Don't make it hard. It is very soft. So what you do, we are going to let it rest for 15 minutes. So see you back after 15 minutes. We are going to do our shapes. We'll roll it and do our shapes. We have different shapes. You can do the love, your shape, your love, square, rectangle, triangle, anything you want. So for today, let's make it simple. We'll just use the normal shape that we all know. So we're going to roll. While rolling, don't make it thin. It should be a bit thick. So don't make it thin. This is enough. No, don't make it thin, okay? While cooking for hubby or your loved ones, don't make them thin mandazis here. You want to get fat, not thin. So this is it. This is the The side should be like this, not too thin. And then we cut into our shapes. But I'll do the normal shape, the one that you guys know. So this is it. And then make it sizable, not small things. Guests will not enjoy.
So they will eat too many.
They will, no, this one they cannot eat too many of them. They'll just take around 3, 4 and they're done. But the small ones,
See, now
they
I'm
can
saying
even eat.
when they're small.
If they're small, they'll eat 20 mandazis. And they're not getting anything. So, make it sizable. This size is okay. I also do mandazi if you have functions. If you have functions and you don't have much time, just holler me. I do for you mandazis and your guests will be satisfied. You don't have to cook in every function. You can do for your charmers. Do mandazi and tea, mandazi and soda. I'm here for you. As you're doing your cuttings, you make sure your oil is hitting somewhere. Yeah, that's our oil. You test your oil. So it's almost ready. Just be patient. You see our oil is ready, so you dip one by one, one by one, one by one. Let's see the end result. Keep turning your mandazis until it's golden brown. Hope you're loving the outcome.
It's looking nice.
Yeah,
it's coming.
It's
It's
nice.
coming.
It's coming.
Coming.
I love it. Very crunchy.
Look at the color.
Healthy mandas. So this is our final product. Mandazi should be golden. Not dark things. It has to be golden brown.
It looks
Akipeka kwa meza.
Inavutia.
You salivate. Guys, these are our final products. Our mandazis are here. Very yummy. Yep. Oh, yummy. And crunchy, soft. You can serve it with tea, juice, soda, anything.
Which juice is that?
Oh, this one is avocado juice mixed with the milk and yogurt.
And it's sweet. I'm almost done with mine. I'm halfway.
It's in a dungeon. It is entering.
Alafu guys, imeiva mpaka ndani. It has meat. It is healthy inside. Guys, thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you've learned a lot from that. And I hope by now you can make your own very sweet and crunchy mandazis. So guys, Beryl, tell us something.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching till the end. And I would like to tell you that if you have any function or you want to make some mandazis for your family, maybe during the weekend, I'm here. You can call me on my number is 0712 674149. Call me, I can do the mandazis. Everything I will charge you according to your ingredients. If you have yours, I'll only come and do the labor. But if you don't have, I'll use my ingredients, everything, then I give you the total cost.
Yes.
Thank you so much, guys.
And also cakes, by the way.
Yeah, I do cakes, birthday cakes, queen cakes, baby shower cakes, anything, any type of cake you want, I am here. I'll do them for you.
Yeah. Guys, you've had Our chef has already spoken.
Yes.
So please, subscribe. Please,
Don't
guys.
forget to subscribe, comment, share,
Like.
give your views, like. Yeah.
And then go and watch the cake video, please.
Don't forget.
So guys, see you next
Till next
time.
time.
Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.